Hello guys, for this video we will talk about microwave. Microwave are the type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength ranging from about 1 millimeter to 1 meter. These waves play a crucial role in various technologies including communication, radar system and certain medical application. Understanding the properties of microwave has led to innovation that impact our daily life, from wireless communication to technology behind microwave oven.
Microwave oven is commonly used for cooking purpose without using water. The high energy of the microwave rotates the polar molecule of water, fat and sugars in the food. This rotation causes friction that results the heat generation. The excitation by the microwave is almost uniform so that the food will heat up uniformly. The cooking in the microwave oven is fast, efficient and safe.
Going to talk about microwave properties. Microwaves are refracted by metal surfaces. They pass through glass and plastics. They can also pass through the atmosphere. Thus, microwaves are used phenomenally in information transmission back and forth to the satellite. It is why satellite dishes are composed of metal content, as metal reflects the microwave radiation. Microwave transmission is affected by wave effects like reflection, refraction, diffraction, and interference.
Microwave has bring so much benefit into this world, but I will focus on one point, which is reduce carbon emission. Microwave communication system such as satellite and terrestrial use less energy to transmit data compared to some other technologies. This energy efficiency helps to reduce the overall carbon emission associated with communication, contributing to environmental sustainability and efforts to address climate change.
Hello guys, so the advantage of using the microwave is the microwave have emission primarily revolve around potential health concerns. Some studies suggest that prolonged exposure to high levels of microwave radiation may have adverse effect on human health. Although the evidence is not conclusive, it's essential to follow safety guidelines and use microwave responsibly to minimize any potential risks.